In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Airbnb gift card. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in to your Airbnb account. Make sure you're using the correct account before redeeming the card because the balance will be added directly to that account and will be used from there when you make eligible bookings. After you've signed in, go to your account section. Depending on the device you're using and the version of Airbnb available in your region, the exact menu wording may look a little different. In some cases, you'll need to open payments and payouts, while in others, you may see a dedicated gift cards option. Either one can lead you to the area where gift card balances are managed. Once you're in the right section, look for the option that says redeem a gift card, then click or tap on it. This will open the redemption screen where you can add your gift card to your Airbnb balance. Now enter the gift card code. You can usually type the code in manually, and on some devices, Airbnb may also let you scan the card using your camera. If you're entering it by hand, take your time and double check each character carefully, since gift card codes can sometimes include similar looking letters and numbers. If a scan option is available, make sure the card is well lit and clearly visible so the camera can read it properly. Before you continue, review the code to make sure everything is correct. This is a simple step, but it can help you avoid errors and save time. If something looks off, correct it before moving forward. When you're ready, tap or click redeem. Airbnb will then process the gift card and add the balance to your account. Give it a moment and wait for the confirmation message showing that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. That confirmation is important because it lets you know the balance is now available in your account. After that, you're all set. Your gift card balance can be used when booking an eligible stay or experience on Airbnb. During checkout, Airbnb will apply your available balance according to the booking options shown on screen. If this is your first time redeeming one, just remember the main flow. Sign in, go to account, open payments and payouts or gift cards, choose redeem a gift card, enter or scan the code, review it and confirm. That's all it takes to add your Airbnb gift card balance and get ready for your next booking.